Hello guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how you can easily create a distribution list in your Gmail. Let's begin. First, I want you to open your Chrome or any browser out there, log into your Gmail account, and once you're here, I want you to click on these icons over here. It looks like a grid. It looks like a grid, and then find contacts. Click on it. It will open up a new tab on your browser. I want you to proceed and hover on those contacts. So over here, I have two contacts. Once you have seen these box, go ahead, check them. And then over here, click on Manage Labels, Create Label, and then just give any reference name for this. For example, D1 for distribution group 1. Click on Save and you will see the label will show up right over here. You can click on edit to rename the label, all right, and make some changes. Once done, you can now go back to Gmail, refresh, and then go ahead start composing your email. Now, instead of typing in individual emails, what you can do is just go ahead, type in the label name you just made earlier. So D1, it will pop up in here. Click on it and then that's how you get this done. It will actually make things easier, and all of the members on the specific group or label will be sent the specific email and saves a lot of time. That's it. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you found this video very helpful.